Why is now a great time to invest in a new Haas? Let's answer that question and see how the new tax bill for 2025 can help you save this year. First, unbeatable Haas value, whether it's machines, tooling, or shop equipment. Second, the best financing in the business. And third, the new tax bill for 2025 that offers increased tax benefits for manufacturers. Now, we've talked about Section 179 before, and now the savings opportunities have gotten even better. Let's say you're buying a new VF2SS mill or ST25 turning center for $100K, and that's including one of our value option packages that adds big discounts on popular options, plus the work holding and cutting tools the machine needs to start making chips right away. For 2025, you can expense this entire $100K purchase through Section 179. Assuming you're in the 35% federal tax bracket, that equals a savings of $35,000. And if you have plans for more than one machine and additions to your shop, like an air compressor, tool presetter, or CMM from Haas, then you'll be happy to know that capital equipment purchases up to $2.5 million are now eligible for deduction through the end of 2025. And if your planned purchases reach even higher than that, talk to your tax professional about the new bonus depreciation rules that allow even higher level deductions. Okay, let's talk payments and terms. Qualify for financing through Haas, and you'll save big on interest as well. With just 10% down, choose from 0% for 12 months or 2.49 for 24. And we've got terms all the way to 60 months at 4.99% to really bring the payments down. And that 10% down payment, or $10,000 using this $100K example, with the Section 179 deduction, you're still $25,000 cash positive for 2025. That's basically you putting down $10K now and Uncle Sam giving you $35K back come tax time. And here's another angle. If you've got an older machine you've been wanting to replace, trade in that older machine plus its maintenance budget to get the down payment for a new, more productive Haas. Let's say that provides a 30% down payment. With our crazy rates, you'll get 4.49% out to 48 months and no payments until 2026. Talk with your tax professional to check the fine print. But even if you typically buy with cash, you can still use our 0% financing options to get your machine, tooling, and shop equipment. And then just prepay early since Haas never has a prepayment penalty. So the answer is yes, now is a great time to invest in a Haas. Get the deal that's right for you at the best interest rates and then expense the entire purchase and save big with the new 2025 tax rules.